Meghalaya Power Minister A.T. Mondal addressed media queries today regarding the frequent power cuts and load shedding affecting various parts of Shillong City. A.T. Mondal clarified that as of now, no planned power cuts or load shedding have been scheduled for the city. Regarding the power shutdown in the Umpling Dongshaneng locality, he explained that the disruption would only persist until the ongoing work under the revamped Distribution Sector Scheme (RDSS), which includes upgrading transformers, installing new high-tension and low-tension line poles and other repairs, is completed.
Like that, somebody might have misinformed you. Actually, we have taken RDSS works, and because of that, shutdown has been taken in that route. And I can give you some details also that work were carried out for Umpling Dongshaneng LT transformer from Umpling to Lightmouth Siao 500 kVA. Then there are so many like 7 by 1 by 25 erection of HT poles for Umpling Dongshaneng with effect from 17:0 hours up to 15:0 hours. Like that, details are with me. This is basically we are taking up the renovation and augmentation work. Many places the poles are being changed. Then we are bringing more HT lines in the proximity. Then transformer will be installed. For this shutdown is required. The shutdown is for that. We have enhanced the manpower. We receive a lot of inconvenience. People have complained to us, and accordingly we have increased our manpower, and we have cut the stretches in a shorter space so that the frequency of shutdown is reduced, and also the area of shutdown is also reduced. So we are working on it. This is for good only, for the improvement of the power scenery in the locality. And other areas also in future will face same problems because of this. And moreover, some places we are putting this ABC cables and all these things. Due to that, this problem. ABC cable in the sense that bundle covered wires that we are putting.
How many areas, sir?
It is going on in different localities. It will continue till we complete the work. It will take quite some longer time. Consumers is that this is for the benefit of the consumers only, for the benefit of better power supply, for the benefit of augmentation of more transformer in the areas, for changing of HT and LT poles, and also changing of conductors. So ultimately it will help in future. No, it depends, because that's why we reduce the stretches now. So suppose it requires for 1 hour, so we cut that stretch only for 1 hour. Sometimes it goes more, because the entire area you got to change the cables. No, it's not that one pole to another pole you change and connect. It is not like that. There is difference between power cut or load shedding and shutdown. Shutdown will be required whenever you require any type of repair, any type of changing of transformer or changing of wires, poles, that will be there. As of now, there is no scheduled load shedding or power cut. Yeah, shutdown it will be required, because this is the season. If we don't do, once the monsoon comes, then it will be not possible for us to do it. This is the time where we can do it.